Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Do you know that you can earn 80 USD or for only 100 clicks, either you're sharing your content on Facebook, Twitter, on other social media networks? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to make 80 USD per 100 clicks by sharing your content, by sharing your different posts on different social media, either Facebook, WhatsApp, status, and others. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I have opened my computer. What you have to do also, you need to open your browser. Maybe you are using your phone, you need to open Chrome if you have one, or you can be opening the browser you are using, either Microsoft Office Edge and the other browser you are using. So what you need to do, you need to come into your browser and search for travel payouts. If you search for travel payouts, you can see I'm gonna be getting to this platform. So you have to search this platform, and also once you search for travel payouts, you're gonna be getting this platform, which is called travelpayouts.com. So on this platform called travelpayouts.com, you can see travel affiliate partnership platform where affiliate programs. So what I need to do, I need to open it. And also after opening it, you're gonna be direct to different travels companies which are also providing different affiliate program on this platform. As you can see, if I click here, I'm gonna see different kind of details, and also they are demonstrating how much money you can be able to earn and the way you can be able to earn on this platform. You can see here there are different platforms including TripAdvisor, Vieta, Booking.com, and others. So you can see if you need also to start earning money on this platform. Now let's try to click on this. For instance, if you click on start earning now, you can see they are bringing me to this platform where I can be getting started to register on this platform. As you can see on this platform, there are also more than 100 brands, travel brands, that you can be able to join here and be able to make money. So if you come here to this platform now, let me try to come here and scroll down. You can see now they have different details. You can be able to read about this company. You can also be able to read about the brands which are available here on this platform, and also once you open it, you can be able to know more about this platform details and also how much money you can be able to earn. As you can see, also 673 millions of sales travel services are available on this platform, and also they have 11 years of experience. You can see there are a lot of details and a lot of information you can be able to get here around the brands. Also, if you want to explore different brands which are available on this platform, which is also, you can be able to come and click here, partner programs, and also you can see different kind of partner programs which are here. Those are different brands and different affiliate marketing partners you can be able to join. For instance, I need to be joining the one for tours and activities, or I need to be joining for the ones for freight. Let's click on tours and activities. You can see I'm gonna be getting different program and affiliate marketing networks that I can also be able to join here. For instance, the first one here is this one, which is called the Vieta, and also there's a tickets. There is a Get Your Guide, which is also earning 80% of the sales. You can also see there is TripAdvisor. You can also be able to see that there is We Go Trip, Big Bus Tours, Ticketmaster. You can see Ticket Network. You can also see this difference, also amount or different percentage of commission you can be able to earn. Let's, for instance, go to the flights. So if we go to flights, you can see now there is this one which is called trip.com. Omio QE, this one, you can see air help, cheap air, way away. You can see this amount of money that you can be able to earn. It's a fixed one. Now you can see Avia Service, Compensate Air. So insurances, package of tours, car, bike rentals, trains and buses. quizzes. You can see there are different details that you can be able to join. So if it allows us, we can be also, we shall make sure that we make a video for each of the affiliate network here and show you how we can be able to access each one individually and how you can be able to use it if you need to use it. However, if you need to be also starting using these travel payouts, and also you need to join and access all these one in one place, you can also be clicking here on get started. And once you click on get started, you're gonna be accessing all these platforms as affiliate partners to your dashboard, and also at the end you will be able to choose which one you can be able to work with as part of affiliate marketing, and also which one you cannot be able to work with, depends on your audience, your niche, and the others. So by doing this, also you can be able to make money basing on the brand you have specified, and also basing on the audience you're having, and also basing on your way to make money with affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel Max TV. If you have any questions, suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also like this video, share it to our friends, and turn notification button so as you always get notified when we upload the new video here at Max TV.